Chapter 15. Ask good questions. Asking questions is a powerful tool for finding better ways to do things. When we ask questions, we learn more and see things we might have missed. In Lean, asking why helps us understand why we do things a certain way and if there's a better way to do them. Imagine you have a messy desk. Instead of just cleaning it up, ask yourself, why does it keep getting messy? Maybe you realize it's because you don't have a good place for your supplies. By asking why, you find a smarter way to organize it so it stays neat. At my company, we don't just follow instructions without thinking. We ask questions like, why are we doing this step? Or, is there a faster way? It helps us find new solutions and keeps us from wasting time on things that aren't helpful. Asking good questions also shows respect for the people around us. When we're curious and listen to each other's answers, we learn from everyone. And every time we ask why, we get closer to making things easier, faster, and more fun. Try it out. Next time you do something like cleaning your room or doing a project, ask yourself, why am I doing this? Or, is there an easier way? You'll be surprised at how much you can learn just by asking questions. The one thing. Lean means treating others how you want to be treated. Lean is about making things easier and better for everyone by asking questions and helping each other. When we work together and respect each other's ideas, we make everything more fun and fair. Win with Lean. Think about something you do that affects others, like sharing supplies or helping a friend. How can you make it better for everyone? That's the golden rule in action. The Lean Takeaway. In Chapter 15, we learned that asking why makes everything better. It helps you spot problems and fix them fast. So don't just follow steps, ask if there's an easier way. Now you know that when you ask questions, you learn, help others, and have more fun. So be curious, work together, and keep making things better for everyone. Chapter 1 taught us the Lean basics. Chapter 2 taught us about spotting waste. Chapter 3 taught us to focus on one task. Chapter 4 helped us in understanding waste. Chapter 5 taught us to fix small problems. Chapter 6 showed us the importance of growing together. Chapter 7 showed us the power of 3S. Chapter 8 showed us the importance of teamwork in Lean. Chapter 9 taught us the importance of daily improvements. Chapter 10 taught us to keep spaces clean. Chapter 11 taught us to start with simple things. Chapter 12 taught us to keep improving. Chapter 13 showed us that we should continue to learn new things. Chapter 14 taught us the 3 key points in Lean. Chapter 15 taught us to always ask why. Now let's go to Chapter 16.